In the previous video, we talked about the importance of follow-up and how to do it right with a telecalling script. Now, we have come to the last phase of the sales process, closing a sales deal. It's the most crucial part of the sales cycle and should be handled in the right way.
Hi Anil, John here. How are you?
Hey John, I am doing good, thanks.
Great. So, as per our call yesterday, did you give the purchase any thought? As you said, you needed to discuss things with your family.
Oh yes, I did. I was going to call you in the morning but got a little busy.
No worries Anil, so are you going ahead with your purchase?
Yes John.
That's great. Luckily you're the last one of the 5 customers to get Tata Harrier in this great offer. Do you need any more information regarding the purchase?
No John, I went through the brochure you sent after our call. Everything seems good.
Alright Anil, can you come to the showroom to initiate the loan process today?
Yeah sure. Can I come after 4 p.m?
Sure Anil. I will make sure to punch your order right away. Congratulations on your first purchase. This will be a day to remember for sure.
Thank you so much for your constant support. It was easy making a decision after going through the detailed information you provided.
Anytime Anil. Also, to remind you, you're eligible for our exclusive extras as you're a member of Zester Cars now. Again, congratulations. It was a pleasure to assist you with the purchase.
Thank you John.